GSG presents White Ink Wednesday.
I'm Mark Sudonik, Textile Application Specialist with Graphic Solutions Group. Today I want to talk to you about one of the growing trends in our industry, which is low cure inks. You want to use low cure inks on tri-blends or polyesters that have a tendency to dye migrate really bad going through the dryer. Typical low cure inks are going to cure at that 275 to 280 degrees. And you may ask yourself, you have a tremendous amount of ink inventory that is the standard cure of 320. Well, what do you do with all that ink? One of the best solutions to come to market is this product right here, International Coatings Low Cure Additive. So you can take all of your standard 320 degree cure inks, add 10% of low cure additive in it, and now your ink will cure at 275 degrees, which is going to be far below the threshold that polyester will gas out at, which is typically 320, which causes dye migration. One of the clear advantages to using International Coatings Low Cure Additive is you're not increasing your ink inventory, but you're taking the inventory you already have and now making it low cure. Here at Graphic Solutions Group, the International Coatings Low Cure Additive is available in quarts and gallons. For more tips and information on screen printing, visit gogsg.com, follow us on social media, and we'll see you next time.